Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to check recently closed apps in Windows 11 and quickly find what you were just using. Now let's get started. Step 1, press Ctrl+Shift+ESC to open Task Manager. It shows running and recently active apps in one place. You can check what was open before it closed. Step 2, press and hold Alt, then tap Tab to see recently used apps. This shortcut opens the app switcher on your screen. It helps you quickly return to an app you just used. Step 3, open File Explorer and click Quick Access on the left. Quick Access shows recently opened files and folders. It's useful for reopening items fast. Step 4, click the Start menu and check the recommended section. This area shows recently opened apps and files. You can reopen them with one click. Step 5. Open Microsoft Edge or your browser. Then open History. In Microsoft Edge, find History from the top right menu. It shows recently closed tabs and websites. Thanks for watching and subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Windows 11 videos.